Attorney Mike Moore did what even his mother thought was impossible. Won a $246 billion judgment against Big Tobacco.
The most historic public health achievement in history.
His role in that victory memorialized in the movie The Insider, in which he played himself.
Michael Moore.
He's now putting that experience to work against Big Pharma, charging that opioid manufacturers are largely responsible for the raging epidemic. You've called the tobacco industry the most corrupt and evil corporate animal that's ever been created in this country's history.
That's right.
What do you say about Big Pharma?
They're pretty evil. And basically, they did the same thing the tobacco companies did. They lied about the addictive nature of the opioids. And then they went out and marketed these things and told doctors everywhere, yeah, okay, it's safe. And it's created this huge opioid epidemic. I mean, there are 3 million opioid addicts out there in the country right now.
Most of whom began with prescriptions.
80% of them.
Moore calls out one company in particular, Purdue Pharma, for videos like this one.
The rate of addiction amongst pain patients who are treated by doctors is much less than 1%.
When you train your workforce, thousands of salespeople, to go out and tell doctors that there's less than 1% chance of addiction if you take this drug, and you know that there's no study that you've done and no reliable study that anybody else has ever done that says that, then of course you're telling a lie. Of course you are.
Purdue told NBC that Moore's assessment is deeply flawed, that OxyContin represents less than 2% of current opioid prescriptions, and that today's crisis is driven by illegal trafficking and abuse of heroin and illicit fentanyl. But Moore and his colleagues have already recruited 23 states to the cause. You going to win this fight?
I'm going to win this fight. I'm going to keep kicking them until they give up.
Cynthia McFadden, NBC News, New York.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.